Hey guys, welcome back. Today is one day after the election day, and I decided why not record a quick video to share with you what are the stocks to trade now that Trump is almost confirmed that he will win the election, right? What are the stocks that's bound to benefit from such a win? And in the short term, this 1-2 weeks, what are the trade stocks ideas that you can actually trade on, right? Okay. So very first thing is that NVIDIA will still do well. Investors and traders should focus more on the more solid and fundamentally strong stocks, in the sense that the Magnificent Seven is actually a very good area to look at, right? NVIDIA is one of them. Netflix is another one. Even though it has went up a lot, I think it will still go much higher as well. Another one is Microsoft, right? Okay, Microsoft had dipped a little bit, but now that the election is over, I think it might just try to break a new recent high and maybe even go above 430 to 440, right? Apart from that, Google is also one of them that you can look at. Google has came down quite a bit since its earnings report. It might have a chance to continue going higher and maybe even break above 185 in the next 1 or 2 weeks in the short term, right? Another one is Amazon, likely to break an all-time new high as well, as we can see here. And in the next 1 or 2 weeks after the election, do pretty well, right? Okay. Having said that, not to forget Meta. Meta is down a little bit. It might just try to follow the overall market sentiment and also try to hit above $600 per share. And because of the election, I think crypto is going to do well, especially Bitcoin, right? Okay. Bitcoin is going to, like, in fact, today it has already broken a new high. Maybe it may even go all the way much higher as well in the next 1 or 2 weeks before a correction happens. And Bitcoin related industries are going to do well. What are those? In terms of stock, one of them is Coin, right? Okay, Coin has corrected quite a little bit after its earnings. I think it is going to go much higher, maybe even touch 240 to $280 per share. Having said that, right, tech in general is going to do well since certainty is coming back into the markets and there's less fear, less uncertainty, and investors and retail traders, before the election, there's some nervousness and uncertainty. They sold off some stocks. Now they are going to come back because of the certainty in the US market is there already, and less fear as well, right? And because of that, we can see that stocks like Intel is one that I like a lot because it has came down a lot. But after it touched a recent low in September, it has gradually have been going higher and higher. I suspect it might break a new high above $25. Apart from that, there are also stocks like Nike. Nike also is a stock that hit a new low since August, but since then it has been able to establish a higher high since August. I suspect that it might have a chance to break a new high as well, right? In terms of tech, generally I think Pinterest is going to do pretty well also, and Snow as well, right? Snow, it has been beaten down quite a lot for the whole year. I suspect that it might start moving up higher from here on. And yeah, there's a lot of stocks that I want to mention. A few very affordable stocks will be APA, right? APA has been beaten down quite a lot since last year. I suspect it might have a up wave going forward, trying to touch above 26 or even $28. Another one is BAX, right? BAX is one that has been going sideways since last year towards the range of around $30 to $44, right? I suspect that in the short term, in these 1-2 weeks, it might even have another upwave to touch maybe 40 or even $42. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.